Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. I know I came with a video after ages, but this time I tried something absolutely new, a wall hanging macrame work. Now after watching the full video, you guys give me the review, whether I perform good or not. So without further delay, let's get into the video. And if you like it, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. So at first I took some macrame thread which I bought from Amazon, which cost around 270 rupees, and a stick. Then just I arranged them in a way that I thought to make the whole work. And at first I am taking the pink color. Okay, so don't just think that I made the full work without showing you guys in the video. Actually, all those thread works are same in process. So if I show you guys all of them, then the video is going to be very long and very boring. So I am showing you the last one with the black color I did. First open the full thread from the reel and took two edges and cut them from middle. Then separate the two pieces. Now you guys have to understand the measurement. The middle one is the longest one. The blue and the pink one are of same length, and the baby pink and the black one also will be of same length. Now after measuring the way I did in the video, took the small two ones in the middle and the long two ones on the side. As the side threads are too long, so I am just making a knot to make them short. Now just keep doing knots in the way I did in the video until it reaches the another end. When it's complete, then give another knot on this side. Then keep doing the same things again. Now here the length is going to be equal with this baby pink one. The extended middle part is for doing the leaf, and after making 2 knots I will cut the 2 side ones that left. So the chain is ready and it's time to make the leaf. At first took a leaf shaped pitchboard cutting. Then according to the shape, cut some pieces of thread as I did in the video. Now cut the extended parts to give it a proper leaf shape. Glue the pitchboard in the back to make it long lasting. So finally it's done. And let me conclude the whole process once again to you. Starting with the baby pink one, make it and then the leaf. Then the blue one just after that, and then the all in the same way. Just keep in mind about the measurement. The each round shaped threads are going to be a bit longer than the previous ones. That's all. Now you guys see me how I did as a beginner, and see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay well.